In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a distribution list with Outlook. A distribution list, sometimes called a contact group or contact list, lets you email a set of people with a single name, saving you time and keeping your communications consistent. I'll walk you through the classic Outlook desktop experience first, then show you how to do the same thing in the web or new Outlook interface. On the desktop app, start by launching Outlook and switching to the People or Contacts view. You'll find this via the navigation bar at the bottom left. Moving into People ensures you're working with your contacts rather than your inbox. At the top, go to the Home tab and choose New Contact Group. Give your group a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later. Think department, project, or purpose. Next, click Add Members. You can pull members from your Outlook contacts, from your organization's address book, or add a new email contact if someone isn't already saved. If you're selecting multiple contacts from a list, hold the Control key while you click to pick several at once. Take a moment to review the Members pane. This is a great time to remove any accidental additions and confirm spellings. When it looks right, select Save Close to finalize the group. Outlook stores it in your contacts so it's ready whenever you compose messages. If you're using Outlook on the web or the new desktop app, the process is just as straightforward. Log in, then click the People icon on the left pane to switch into your contacts. Expand the New Contact button by clicking the small down arrow, and choose New Contact List. Enter a unique name and, if helpful, add a short description so you and teammates know exactly what it's for. Now add the people you want by typing their email addresses or selecting existing contacts. Accuracy matters here, so double-check addresses as you go. When you're satisfied, click Create to save. Your new list will appear in your contacts, organized and ready for reuse. A couple of quick tips as you work: choose names that are short but specific, especially if you plan to build more than one list. When adding members, batch your selections to reduce missed contacts and review the group before saving to avoid duplicates. And remember, you can always return to your contacts later to view the list and confirm it's set up the way you intended. That's it. Thanks for watching.